money. Go get the 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 money. I got it. Push 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 it.
What's up, everyone? This is 88 Mars on XV88 Mars Playground. Guys, today we're going to be talking about April the 15th. Yes, RS Day, right? Besides that, guys, some of y'all haven't been receiving y'all refund tax as well. Everything is W2 is crazy. The forms is crazy. Is this true? Yes, that's why I'm speaking about it as well. Okay, guys. Now, after the video, I'm going to tell you some stuff that happened to me a while back. All right. Now, I'm going to give shout outs to the creators of this video on TikTok as well. You already know 88 Mars ain't about that BS, but let's go ahead and get it started. Now, this is the line at the RS, all right, guys, and people trying to get their forms in. They probably receive forms through the mail. They probably got a phone call, or they probably haven't not going to receive anything. Why? Because the RS now is trying to figure out if all these people is fraud. Now, if you did your tax return, guys, you probably got some stuff that's peeped out saying that you have to do a ID me or me ID or whatever the BS is. Guys, they trying to get face recognition on everybody. I told y'all, guys, this country is not free no more. All right, look at this. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. Now she's walking around showing all the people in line, guys. All right, this is crazy as hell. And if we come to a point that's like that, well, we got more technology, we don't have to do that. All right. They is on some BS, okay, guys? They on some BS, all right? And y'all guys don't peep this stuff. Look at this. And we're gonna talk a little more in details with this. Look how long is this line. This is crazy. People got their kids out there. Look at this line, man. This is crazy as hell. Let's go. Now let's go ahead and talk about this. All right, guys. Taxes, right? I think taxes is the biggest scam that's out there, and some people, out there talking about they pay their fair share of taxes and stuff like that. All right. Now, if you're doing business and stuff like that, it's simple to do your taxes. You get it, you send a check, wire the money, whatever you want to do, and you done. But individually, people who's out there who's swiping the clock, guys, it's harder for most of y'all guys, and I'm gonna tell you why. Now they are trying to figure out is any fraud. They know you're not a fraud. And I'm going to tell you and educate you why. This is some junk. This is how they brainwash y'all asses. Okay. Now let's go ahead and talk about this. When you are born, you get a social security number. Social security number goes everywhere with you. When you apply for a job, you put your social security in there. Guess what? You also show them an ID. On your ID, your identification, you have a number up there. Either you got a driver license, a passport, or you have something, a state ID card that has the number. You are linked to all those, right? Now, when they run this stuff, it goes to, guess what? Homeland Security. Now you're in another system, all right? If you're working in the airport, government agent, you do fingerprint, then you go again, you're in the system. They know exactly who you are. It's hard to fraud the system, okay? Unless it's a check that's been sent out. But guys, this is 2024. It's hard to do that. Is identity theft still out? Yes, but you have big scammers that's across the sea that the government not even trying to crack down and bust those people. They want to see, are you the scammers, right? Are you the one stealing? Now, if you're the one stealing, they can come to your door, knock your door. They know who you are, how game works. They are doing face recognition, all right? On some of the websites, all right? You have to scan your face with the ID me. And it goes to the IRS. They linking you up with face recognition. But guys, I think that's just not the big ideal as well, because when you get you a job, if you have a work ID, okay, just leave that alone. If you got a state ID or passport, they know exactly your face is there. So when they hitting up in the system, you pop up from that passport, from that state ID, from that driver license. You popped up already. Guys, it's just something else there to basically waste taxpayers' money. I'm just saying, waste taxpayers' money to seem like they doing big things. And then you already see the people who's minority, who's basically in line, all right, to just basically get you down there. Taxes on your back taxes, you can work out a deal with the IRS, guys. As long as you're not running, you can always have a payment plan. They will do a payment plan with you, or if that don't happen, they will garnish your other tax refund. So that's why I'm saying this is some BS, guys. This is something they're just trying to do to make money off with face recognition. All this data's been selling. And guys, listen, man, we already know how the system is, all right? We know how check system is. If they send a check, it's hard to cash a check these days because it got to go through the check security system. It's not going to happen there, all right? They are holding money. That's what I believe in, trying to get face recognition. So those two things, that's what they're doing. Holding your refunds year after year, and study them sending your money, your money, what you have coming. They are holding that. Guys, do not believe this hype. What she talking about is true. Now, I had identity theft probably in 2022. Okay, guys, I made a police report. My identity got stolen. Some person in Canada, all right, my whole information, all right. They was playing like me. They was withdrawing money out of my account. They was taking like thousands of dollars out of there. We got it blocked, got most of my money back, but I'm just telling you how it goes. Then after that, a year or two later, the IRS came out with a PIN system, meaning that they have to send me an ID PIN to my house when I file my taxes now. Now, the messed up part about it, this year I haven't received anything to do that. Guys, the system is broken. Our politicians broken, our government system, just everything is broken. What I want y'all to do is, listen up. I'm not no professional on this, but if they are holding your money like that, listen, calculate everything what you're supposed to be getting back. And if you haven't got that, you can get you a tax attorney or something like that to get your process going. Or you can do it yourself if you're good with numbers and everything, or speak up for yourself. I spoke up for myself. I got everything going from that. I try to do mostly myself to educate myself to get itself done. But if you owe big money or whatever, and 100,000 or millions, you might need a tax attorney. But if you only getting certain like $1,000, $5,000, getting back, but I'm just giving you an exact number, you might can do that yourself. All right. You can go to your local place, and if it's something, today's the deadline and they telling you come there and come there, keep documents on everything, because when the penalties come, they're going to try to charge you a penalty. Guys, don't even try to pay that stuff. And they do charge you a penalty or something like that. Figure out a way how to get your money back. And most of the time they will give your money back. But like I said, guys, they start sending letters out. All right. I remember I got the first one of the first pins like back in 2002. But now they sending letters out to do face recognition. When you do your tax, you might have a link. If y'all notice, most of y'all guys did your taxes on the bottom. You go check and say, where's my refund? On the bottom, you click that. It says, hey, we need more proof that is you. And guess what happened? You do face recognition. Sometimes it go through, sometimes it don't. Sometimes they want you to come down there. Guys, it's a waste of time. Our system just effed up. This is 8 Mars Playground, guys. Hey, y'all have a good day. Guess what? Peace.